Which of the following scenarios cannot use binary search effectively? Correct answer, searching for an element in an unsorted list. Explanation, binary search requires the data to be sorted. Without ordering, the divide and conquer logic of binary search does not work. What is a key drawback of using the linear search algorithm? Correct answer, it has higher time complexity compared to more efficient search algorithms. Explanation, linear search checks elements one by one, resulting in O of n time complexity. This makes it slower than algorithms like binary search when dealing with large data sets. Which prerequisite must be satisfied for the jump search algorithm to function correctly? Correct answer, the array must be sorted. Explanation, jump search works by skipping fixed size blocks and comparing values, which is only valid when the array is sorted. Without sorting, the jumps cannot reliably eliminate search space. Which of the following is not a benefit of using the Fibonacci search algorithm? Correct answer, works efficiently on unsorted arrays. Explanation, Fibonacci search, like binary search, requires the input data to be sorted. It cannot be efficiently applied to unsorted arrays. What is a primary advantage of using a recursive approach instead of an iterative approach? Correct answer, it is easier to implement and involves less code. Explanation, recursive solutions are often shorter and more readable, making them easier to understand and implement compared to iterative versions, even though they may use more memory. Which sorting algorithm generally performs best for small-sized arrays? Correct answer, insertion sort. Explanation, insertion sort has low overhead and minimal comparisons for small data sets, making it faster in practice than more complex algorithms on small arrays. Which algorithmic strategy is used by merge sort to perform sorting? Correct answer, divide and conquer. Explanation, merge sort repeatedly divides the array into halves, sorts each half, and then merges them, which is a classic divide and conquer approach. Which of the following sorting algorithms necessarily uses recursion as part of its implementation? Correct answer, stooge sort. Explanation, stooge sort is defined recursively, repeatedly sorting overlapping parts of the array, and cannot be implemented without recursion. Which of the following sorting algorithms is considered a variation or improvement of heap sort? Correct answer, smooth sort. Explanation, smooth sort is an adaptive variant of heap sort that performs better on partially sorted data while retaining heap sort's worst-case complexity. Which of the following sorting algorithms does not belong to the non-comparison sorting category? Correct answer, bubble sort. Explanation, bubble sort compares adjacent elements to sort the list, making it a comparison-based algorithm, unlike counting, radix, and bucket sorts. Which of the following sorting algorithms is stable, meaning it preserves the relative order of equal elements? Correct answer, counting sort. Explanation, counting sort maintains the relative order of identical elements during placement, making it a stable sorting algorithm, unlike quick, heap, and selection sorts. Which of the following methods is the most effective for picking the pivot element? Answer, median of 3 partitioning. Explanation, median of 3 partitioning is the best method for choosing an appropriate pivot element. Picking a first, last, or random element as a pivot is not much effective. Which of the following sorting algorithms is adaptive, meaning it performs better when the input is partially sorted? Correct answer, library sort. Explanation, library sort is adaptive because it inserts elements into pre-allocated gaps, allowing it to run faster on partially sorted arrays, unlike merge, heap, or selection sorts which are non-adaptive. Which statement correctly describes the properties of insertion sort? Correct answer, it is stable and sorts in place. Explanation, insertion sort preserves the relative order of equal elements, stable, and requires only constant extra space, making it an in-place sorting algorithm. What is a key advantage of selection sort when compared to other sorting algorithms? Correct answer, it does not require extra memory beyond the input array. Explanation, selection sort is an in-place algorithm and requires only constant extra space, which is its main advantage over some other sorting techniques. In heap sort, after repeatedly deleting the minimum element from a min heap, how will the elements be arranged in the array? Correct answer, decreasing sorted order. Explanation: when the minimum element is removed repeatedly from a min heap, the smallest elements are placed first at the end, resulting in a decreasing order in the array. Which of the following sorting algorithms performs sorting in place, using only constant extra memory? Correct answer, intro sort. Explanation: intro sort is a hybrid of quick sort, heap sort, and insertion sort and performs sorting in place, unlike merge, counting, and radix sorts which require extra memory. Which of the following statements about heap sort is incorrect? Correct answer, heap sort is a stable sorting algorithm. Explanation: heap sort does not preserve the relative order of equal elements, making it unstable, even though it is in place, comparison-based, and runs in O of n log n time. Why is shell sort considered a generalized version of insertion sort? Correct answer, shell sort allows swapping elements that are far apart, unlike insertion sort which moves items one position at a time. Explanation: shell sort improves insertion sort by allowing gapped comparisons, which moves elements closer to their correct position faster, reducing overall shifts. Which of the following sorting algorithms does not preserve the relative order of equal elements? Correct answer, quick sort. Explanation: quick sort is not stable because equal elements can be swapped across the pivot during partitioning, changing their relative order, unlike merge, bubble, and cocktail sorts. Which sorting algorithm is most suitable when swap operations are costly? Correct answer, cycle sort. Explanation: cycle sort minimizes the number of write/swaps by moving elements directly to their correct positions, making it ideal when swapping is an expensive operation. Which sorting algorithm is most efficient when the range of input values is close to the number of elements? Correct answer, counting sort. Explanation: counting sort works best when the range of input values, k, is not much larger than the number of elements, n, because its time complexity is O of n plus k, making it faster than comparison-based sorts in this scenario. Which of the following is not another name for BOGO sort? Correct answer, donkey sort. Explanation, BOGO sort is also called stupid sort, monkey sort, or permutation sort, but donkey sort is not a recognized alias. What is a main disadvantage of library sort compared to insertion sort? Correct answer, library sort requires more memory space. Explanation, library sort uses gaps to speed up insertion, which increases its space complexity compared to standard in-place insertion sort. Which of the following sorting algorithms relies on recursion for its implementation? Correct answer, strand sort. Explanation, strand sort is inherently recursive, repeatedly extracting sorted subsequences, strands, and merging them, unlike insertion, counting, or pigeonhole sorts.